In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay FreshBooks Invoice. Open your browser and head to freshbooks.com. On the top right, click Log in and sign in with your credentials. If you manage multiple businesses in FreshBooks, make sure you're in the correct account so the payment is recorded in the right place. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. Next, look to the left-hand menu and click Invoices. This takes you to your invoice list. Scroll through to find the invoice you want to mark as paid. If you have a long list, you can use the search or filters to narrow it down by client, status, or date. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct invoice by checking the client name, invoice number, and outstanding balance. When you've found the right one, click the dollar icon that says Add a Payment. This opens the payment panel. Start by choosing the payment date. Set this to the date you actually received the funds. If it was today, leave it as is. If it was earlier, use the calendar to backdate it so your records and reports stay accurate. Now add internal notes. These are visible only to you and your team, so use them to capture helpful details like a reference number, a check number, or a brief note about the source of funds. Keep it clear and concise so you can understand it at a glance later. Next, select the payment type. Pick the method that matches how the client paid, such as cash, check, bank transfer, credit card, or another option available in your account. Choosing the correct type helps keep your reporting clean and makes reconciliation easier. Before saving, quickly scan the details on screen. FreshBooks will typically apply the payment to the outstanding balance for that invoice. Just make sure the amount and date look right, the notes are accurate, and the payment type is correct. When everything is set, click Save. FreshBooks will record the payment and update the invoice status. You should now see that the invoice shows as paid, often with a clear label or icon. If it doesn't appear immediately, refresh the page to see the latest status. That's it. You've logged in, opened your invoices, found the right one, added a payment with the correct date, included internal notes for context, selected the payment type, and saved your changes. Following these steps keeps your books up to date and your reporting accurate, so you can move on with confidence knowing the invoice is fully taken care of.